From rulers to rule, types of government, this is our topic that we are going to cover today. And here we are going to do the Solve NCERT textbook question answer. It is from the page 207. So let us start the textbook question answer. So the first question is, write the name of the various types of government that you have learned in the chapter. So you have to write the names, and the answer is democracy, monarchy, theocracy, dictatorship, oligarchy. So these are the types of government that we have learned in the chapter. Next question is, what type of government does India have and why is that called that type? So India has a democratic form of government because the people of India elect their leaders through regular elections. In a democracy, the government is chosen by the people and it works for the welfare of the people. So India has a democratic form of government. Next question is question number 3, that is, you read that an independent judiciary is present in all types of democracies. State any 3 reasons why you think it is important for the judiciary to be independent. And the answer is, to ensure fair justice, an independent judiciary can make decisions based on the law, not on pressure from the government or powerful people. Second reason is to protect rights. It protects the fundamental rights of citizens by checking misuse of power. And third, to uphold the constitution. It ensures that all laws and actions of the government follow the constitution. That's why it is important for the judiciary to be independent. Next question, do you think democratic government is better than other form of government? Why? Yes, a democratic government is better than other form of government because people have the right to choose their leaders through elections. Everyone is treated equally and has the freedom to express their views. The government is accountable to the people, so it works for their welfare. Next question is, so it is match the following. So these are some practices in a few different countries. Can you match the practice with the type of government? So the first one is, all citizens are treated equally before law, and the correct answer is democracy. The government refers to the religious leader for each and every decision it takes. Theocracy. After the queen's death, her son becomes the new king. Monarchy. The ruler is not bound to follow any constitution. He makes all the decisions as per his choice. That is dictatorship. These are the types of government. Below is a list of countries. Find out the type of government these countries have. So we have to find out the type of government. So the first country is Bhutan. Here is constitutional monarchy is there. That is, the king share power with an elected parliament. Second is Nepal. Federal Democratic Republic is there. People elect their leader. No king is there, right? Bangladesh. Parliamentary democracy is there. Elected parliament and PM govern the country. South Africa, parliamentary republic, that is the constitutional democracy is there. President is both head of state and government elected by the parliament. Brazil, federal presidential republic is there. President is directly elected and has executive powers. Question number 7. What are possible hurdles in democracy in achieving its values and ideals? How can they be overcome? So possible hurdles in a democracy in achieving its value and ideals include corruption, leader may misuse power for personal gain, inequality, not everyone gets equal opportunities or rights in practice, lack of awareness, people may not know their rights or how to use them. So these are possible hurdles in a democracy. Now how they can be overcome? Strong laws and punishment against corruption, better education and awareness for all citizens, and active participation of people in election and decision making. So in this way, it can be overcome. Last question is, democracy is different from monarchy and dictatorship. Explain. Democracy is different from monarchy and dictatorship in the following ways. In a democracy, people elect their leaders through voting. In a monarchy, a king or queen rulers and the position is usually inherited. In a dictatorship, one person or a small group holds all the power without people consent. Second, democracy allows freedom and equal rights for all citizens. Monarchy and dictatorship often limit people's freedom and do not allow public participation. Last, in a democracy, the government is accountable to the people, whereas in monarchy and dictatorship, rulers are not answerable to the people. So this is the difference between monarchy and dictatorship if we are going to compare with the democracy. So these are 8 textual question answer from the rulers to rule types of government. So this much for this video. If you reach until the end, then thank you so much for watching the video.